Most people spend their lives working for money. But what if money could work for you? Let's face it, if you're still trading time for money, you're not financially free. You're financially stuck. I'm Brad Gilbert, the founder of Traders for Traders. We help everyday people break free from the grind by teaching them how to trade like the institutions. Now, this isn't hype, it's a professional, proven framework. The same approach I used on institutional trading floors, now made accessible to you. Financial freedom isn't a fantasy, it's a skill, and it starts right here on this channel. Every video we post is designed to give you clarity, confidence, and control in the markets, whether you're a complete beginner or already trading. We'll help you take the next step. This is more than a YouTube channel, it's your starting point to financial freedom, and we'll do everything in our power to help you get there. Subscribe now, take control, trade smart, live free.